making today?
We're making balls.
What type of balls are we making? We've got raspberry. What's this?
That is like a magic bone, by the way.
A magic what?
Magic bone.
A magic bone. Okay, we're making raspberry balls, magic bone balls. This is called ginger, okay? And what's the last one that we're making?
Mint.
Yeah, peppermint.
Peppermint.
Which one will be your favourite?
That one.
Okay, you like all of them, do you? Okay, we're going to use all of these dates to make 3 different types of...
Look at that date.
Yeah, that's the fat one, isn't it? You want to break it up?
No, I'll eat.
No, you can't eat them yet.
Alright, then I'll have that one when it's finished.
They'll take a while though because we need to put them in the fridge, okay?
But everything's alright.
Nara,
Yes.
which one's your favourite? Raspberry? Or ginger? Or peppermint? You like peppermint the best? Are they going to be very yummy? Oh, you can't eat it? Okay, you can have one. Here you go. You can have one. Yes, of course you can have one. Okay. Now we're going to try and keep these balls as simple as possible. I'm going to use my protein powder, my raw Amazonia protein powder. I'm going to use sunflower seeds because my little girl, Nahara, is allergic to pretty much everything, but she's not allergic to these. We're going to use Pepita seeds, she's also not allergic to that, and chia seeds, and we're going to use lots of desiccated coconut as well, some coconut oil, and of course our flavorings, and then our base, which is the dates. Kind of making all of this up. You right, Nara? I'm making this up, so I'm just going to soak them in that. I'm guessing for a few minutes, not really sure, just to soften them up a little bit. And I think I am going to use all of this liquid that I've put in there. So I've just kind of covered them. I might do a little bit more actually. Who knows? Wet is always better, isn't it? You're such a show pony.
So I'm going to be a unicorn now.
Blend up the sunflower seeds to make sort of a butter. So instead of using a peanut butter or nut butter, we're going to be using the sunflower seeds. So hopefully this will work. I'm not sure if it's going to, but let's find out. Good job. Alright, so I've done 2 cups of sunflower seeds. I've blended them up separately. I did 2.5 for the 1 cup of coconut oil. This should be enough for all 3 batches of my protein balls. Let's move on to the next thing. This is about 30 dates. My dates have been soaking for about, I'm going to say 5 minutes, and they're not super soft, but yeah, I'm impatient. So we're going to blend these up now. Who wants to eat them all? You want to eat them, don't you? Stop eating all the raspberries. Have you been eating them? Did you eat them? Please stop eating them. We won't have any left. Sorry, Mummy.
Sorry, Mommy.
Yeah, you're real sorry. Hey, let's move these over here.
There.
cocoa powder to this to make it chocolatey. My little girl, you're allergic to chocolate, aren't you? Do that face. Yeah. Now we need to add the desiccated coconut. I'm going to do a cup of desiccated coconut. Oil do you think we should do? 4? Okay, let's do 1 tablespoon of protein. Instead of blending this, I'm actually going to put this in a bowl, Lisa, and you're going to mix it up for me, okay?
Like that. What?
Put it in the bowl. Oh, that smells good. Alright, our last and final one is going to be raspberries. So we don't need any dates for this one. Although there is a little bit of dates in the mixture, doesn't matter. For the raspberry mixture, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of maple syrup for sweetener. Because we don't have the dates.
Oh, aren't you little love?
So this is our 3 different ball bases. So we've got the raspberry, we've got the peppermint, and we've got the ginger. With the ginger one, I'm actually just going to add in some cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon, actually.
The raspberry one.
And try raspberry one? Yeah. Well, they're not quite set yet, but that's alright. Yum, yum, yum. It's really good. A ginger one, hey?